Listen up, Moreno Valley. Are you losing sleep over hidden water leaks? Is your water bill climbing like never before? That mysterious dampness in your walls? That musty smell in your basement? These aren't just minor annoyances. They're expensive problems waiting to destroy your property, drain your wallet, and compromise everything you've worked so hard to build. Water leaks don't announce themselves. They hide, they fester, they multiply behind your walls, under your floors, and within your pipes, slowly destroying the foundation of your home or business while you remain completely unaware. By the time you notice the damage, thousands of dollars have already evaporated into thin air. Pure Valley plumbing van pulls up. Professional team exits with equipment, technicians working with advanced leak detection technology. But here's the good news, you don't have to suffer in silence anymore. Pure Valley Plumbing is here for you, Moreno Valley. With over 7 years of excellence serving your community, we've built our reputation on one simple promise. We find the leaks others miss, and we fix them fast. Close-ups of advanced leak detection equipment, thermal imaging, professional inspections, technicians pinpointing problem areas. Our state-of-the-art water leak detection technology is a game changer. While other plumbers guess and probe, we know exactly where your leak is hiding. Our expert team uses cutting-edge thermal imaging, acoustic detection, and advanced diagnostic tools to identify leaks with surgical precision. No guessing, no unnecessary wall damage, no wasted time or money. Show team of skilled professionals, working efficiently, installing pipes, making repairs, customer satisfaction visible in interactions. Our crew of 120 certified master plumbers isn't just skilled, they're passionate about protecting your property. EPA LEED Safe certified, licensed in California, and trained in the latest plumbing technology, every member of our team brings expertise that you can actually trust. These aren't rookies. These are professionals who've handled thousands of leak detection calls across Moreno Valley, and they've perfected the art of solving your water problems with speed and precision. Rapid service van arrival, quick setup, efficient problem solving, satisfied customers smiling. When it comes to water leaks, every minute counts. That's why Pure Valley Plumbing guarantees emergency response within 60 minutes, 24/7, 365 days a year. Whether it's midnight on Sunday or a holiday weekend, we answer the call. We show up equipped. We work with purpose. And we don't leave until your problem is solved. Happy homeowners and business owners in their properties, relaxed expressions, normal life resuming. Imagine this. No more worrying about hidden water damage. No more sleepless nights, wondering if your walls are rotting behind closed doors. No more astronomical water bills that make no sense. Pure Valley Plumbing delivers peace of mind. With our 12-month comprehensive warranty on all parts and labor, plus our satisfaction guarantee, you can trust that you're protected. Moreno Valley landmarks, neighborhood scenes, families and businesses thriving. Pure Valley Plumbing serving diverse communities. Here's what sets us apart. We're your neighbors. We're not some distant corporation. We're rooted right here in Moreno Valley, serving North Moreno Valley, Moreno Valley Ranch, Rancho Belago, and all the neighborhoods you call home. We understand the unique challenges of our climate, our infrastructure, and our community. When you call Pure Valley Plumbing, you're calling local experts who genuinely care about protecting your property and your family. Professional pricing display, flexible payment options, senior and military discount information, transparent service. Don't let expensive plumbing bills scare you. Pure Valley Plumbing offers moderate, transparent pricing with flexible financing options. Plus, if you're a senior or military personnel, we honor you with a 10% discount on every service. We're fully bonded and insured with $2 million in general liability coverage, so you know you're working with the real deal. Pure Valley Plumbing technicians with confident smiles. Thumbs up. Team ready for action. Contact information displayed. Website URL on screen. Stop waiting. Stop worrying. Stop throwing money away on undiagnosed water leaks. Pure Valley Plumbing is ready to rescue your home or business right now. Our licensed master plumbers are standing by with the most advanced water leak detection technology in Moreno Valley, prepared to deliver fast answers, expert solutions, and the peace of mind you absolutely deserve. A montage of successful repairs, satisfied customers, company team photo, Pure Valley Plumbing branding, professional excellence. For over 7 years, Pure Valley Plumbing has earned the trust of thousands of families and businesses across Moreno Valley and the Inland Empire. We've won excellence awards. We've earned quality craftsmanship recognition. We've been named the most trusted plumbing company in our community, not because we're perfect, but because we care about your success and your satisfaction. Team ready, van fully equipped Pure Valley Plumbing logo prominently displayed, sunshine lighting professional environment. This is your moment to make the smart choice. Pure Valley Plumbing is here to handle your water leak detection with the speed, expertise, and care your property deserves. Don't let another day pass with a leak destroying your investment. Reach out today and discover why Moreno Valley residents and business owners trust Pure Valley Plumbing as their #1 choice for reliable professional plumbing solutions. Your peace of mind is just one call away. Pure Valley Plumbing, protecting Moreno Valley, one pipe at a time.